What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman, and as you can see, I'm doing what all the cool kids are doing these days. I am wearing my Rideshare Hub swagged out t-shirt. You can be a cool kid too. All you have to do is go to our Rideshare Hub merchandise shop, and you can get your Rideshare Hub swag. Boom! Sweet, let's go! Alright, you know what else all the cool kids are doing? They're all driving for rideshare. That's right, you're probably doing it. Your mom, your grandma, your great-grandma. She probably shouldn't. You probably shouldn't take any rides from a great-grandmother. It doesn't sound safe. But anyway, today what we're going to talk about are 5 reasons why everybody should be driving for rideshare. And if you do already drive for rideshare, that's okay. Stick around because I'm going to give you reasons to incentivize your friends and family and people you know to start driving for rideshare. And you can give them your referral code to sign them up. And then they start driving and you start making money. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. All right. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're cool and we have some sweet videos, and that's probably all, but that's a good enough reason to subscribe. And then share this video with those friends and family and other people so that they decide, yes, I should drive for rideshare. Please give me your referral code. Okay, let's get this thing started. So 5 reasons why everybody should drive for rideshare. And number 1 is that referral code or the sign up bonus link. So I'll pump the brakes. If you haven't started driving for rideshare yet, that's okay. It's a little secret. There's some links below that you can click on to sign up and you can get your bonuses. I know, just go below, click those links, sign up, and you'll get sign up bonuses. Jacob, tell me more. What are sign-up bonuses? They sound exciting and fun. They are exciting and fun. Here's what they are. You sign up using a sign-up bonus or someone's referral code, and then Uber and Lyft is like, hey, we want more people to join our family and start driving, so we're going to give new drivers more money when they sign up. And that's what happens. You sign up, and you make more money for the introductory period per ride. It's amazing. Number 2. Why you should drive, why everyone should drive for rideshare. Because of flexibility. It doesn't matter that you have a 9-to-5 job. So what? Big whoop. You can sign on and sign off anytime, drive around and make money. It's that easy. You don't feel like driving? That's cool. You do feel like driving. It's the middle of the night. Sign on. All right. Good. Number 3. My passengers ask me all the time, so Jacob, where do you like to drive? Well, it doesn't matter where I like to drive. You end up driving all over the place. So reason number 3 why you should drive is because you get to see all the cool attractions in your city. New restaurants and bars and hangout spots and a bunch of stuff I promise you've never seen. You get to see all of your city. And also some areas where you don't want to hang out. But that's cool. And then you learn how to navigate your city better as well. So, yeah, there's that. Okay, reason number 4, because of the rewards. You mean there's rewards on top of getting paid money? Yes, there are. It's fantastic. Let me tell you how it works. So, as my drivers know about the driving rewards, there's different tiers. So if you're driving a lot, you're going to hit those top tiers. But even if you're driving part-time, it doesn't take a lot of rides to hit those first tiers. And there's still really good incentives. Things like fuel rewards or fuel discounts, cell phone and cell phone plan discounts, travel discounts, movie ticket discounts, restaurant discounts. There's a lot of stuff. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head. But the rewards are pretty sweet, I promise. Reason number 5 why everyone should be driving for rideshare is because of instant cash out on the money. So your friends are like, yo, you want to come up to the lake with us this weekend and kick it? And you're like, I have $8.32 in my bank account until next payday. I can't. I got to go and make my SpaghettiOs and eat some ramen noodles. That's depressing. Now you can drive for a rideshare and make that extra cash anytime you want. You just sign on, do some driving for a few hours, Bada bing, bada boom, you got money on your account and you can cash out instantly. It goes straight into your bank account and it's there. As soon as you can cash it out and click on your bank app and check out your account, the money's in there already. It's amazing. So there you go, guys. 5 reasons why everybody should be driving for rideshare. Okay, hey, if you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up. And then make sure to share this with people that are on the fence about should they or should they not drive for rideshare. Yes, of course you should. Do it. Don't think about it. Do it. And then again, if you have not signed up yet, click our sign up bonus links below so that you can get started. Awesome. Hey, again, I'm Jacob Lettman. You can follow me on Instagram at jacob.lettman. You can also follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. And until next time, y'all, drive safe. Seriously, drive safe and take care.